Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest beauty products. Today, we're diving into what could be the best crystal poly gel available in the market, the SAVILAND Large Clear Poly Gel. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast or a beginner looking to level up your nail game, this might just be the product you've been waiting for. Stick around as we uncover what makes this poly gel stand out from the rest. Let's kick things off with what sets this poly gel apart. First up, it comes in a generous 100 grams size, making it ideal for multiple applications and ensuring you get the most value for your money. The transparency of this gel allows for a natural look, perfect for creating salon-like extensions or intricate nail art designs right in the comfort of your own home. Now, what really caught our attention is its longevity. With proper application and preparation, this poly gel can last up to 30 days on your nails, which is impressive compared to traditional manicures. It's formulated with natural resin materials, ensuring it's non-toxic, odor-free, and vegan-friendly, perfect for those with sensitive nails. Wondering how easy it is to use? Fear not, even if you're new to poly gel nails. The SAVILAND Clear Poly Gel comes with detailed instructions that guide you through the application process step by step. It's pliable enough to mold and shape to your desired length and style, yet durable enough to resist breaking and yellowing over time. To achieve the best results, ensure you prep your nails properly and cure the gel under a UV or LED lamp. Once cured, simply use a slip solution to remove any sticky residue, leaving you with beautifully extended nails that are ready to flaunt. Beyond its ease of use and durability, the SAVILAND Poly Gel also offers versatility. Whether you're into classic extensions or experimenting with trendy nail art designs, this gel accommodates it all. Its crystal clear finish enhances any nail style, making it suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. Plus, with over 101 ratings averaging 4.5 stars, it's clear that users love its performance and quality. Many have praised its natural look and long-lasting effects, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professional nail artists alike. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your nail game with a product that delivers salon-like results at home, the SAVILAND Large Clear Poly Gel ticks all the boxes. From its high-quality formulation to its user-friendly application, it's no wonder this poly gel is making waves in the beauty community. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.